Hello, my name is Martin Strohbach from AGT International. I would like to demonstrate to you the GrowSmarter dashboard. It is an application that is built on top of IoTCrawler technologies. The GrowSmarter dashboard has originally been developed as part of the GrowSmarter project. It reduces energy costs by providing smart homeowners insights about their energy consumption. The dashboard uses readings from smart plugs and other smart electricity meters. As part of the IoTCrawler project, we extended the dashboard to a public testbed. The testbed was running for almost a year. Over 115 smart homeowners registered for the dashboard, and more than 60 people connected more than 3,400 devices. The testbed was used for evaluating an automatic device detection feature. It allowed smart home users to have a better overview over their devices. This feature has been developed as part of Smart Connect. As explained in a separate tutorial, Smart Connect is one of IoTCrawler's minimum viable products. But now let's log in and demonstrate to you what the GrowSmarter dashboard can do. Smart home devices can be connected to the GrowSmarter dashboard via the Homey gateway. The user can connect any number of smart home gateways to the dashboard. Let's have a look at this gateway. In the home screen, we get an overview of our devices and their energy consumption. On the left, we can see a list of devices connected to the Homey gateway. As you can see from the device list, our user seems to be German. In the energy consumption overview, we can identify the top energy consumers. The pie chart shows that the dishwasher consumed most of the energy in the last month. If we scroll further down, we get an overview of the devices. Let's have a look at the vacuum cleaner. We get information about whether the device is currently active. That means whether it is collecting data. Currently the vacuum cleaner is turned off and there is no current power. If we turn it on, we can see its current consumption. This includes a real-time view with history back to 3 days. Further information about the energy consumption is available in the details view. For instance, we can see the weekly aggregated energy consumption. The number of usages in the last 30 days seems correct. In this home, the vacuum cleaner is typically used twice each day. Further details about the usage, such as the average duration, can be seen in the details view. Coming back to the home screen, we can see that devices are classified. This includes types, locations, and for smart plugs, the appliances. For instance, we distinguish between sensors, actuators, controllers, and electricity meters. We also have a hierarchy of locations and appliances. Now let's see how the automatic device detection feature provided by IoTCrawler works. The dashboard monitors both metadata and data of any device connected to it. Whenever a change is detected, the user receives a notification. This device is correctly classified to be a smart plug in the living room with a TV connected to it. Note that we have no explicit information about the location from the user. The software has learned from previous data that a TV is usually located in the living room. As we're happy with this detection, we confirm it. We just do the same for the microwave. In some cases, the location of sensors may deviate from where people typically place their sensors. For instance, this device is an outdoor weather station. It often seems to be located in a garage. We can simply edit the information inline and confirm. Independent from the notifications, we can amend the metadata of each device. For instance, if we select our vacuum cleaner, we can see that the automatic device detection feature was not sure about its location. The smart plug is directly connected to the vacuum cleaner. As we are not yet supporting dynamic locations, we can put in a location node. This location node will also appear in the list of connected devices. We hope you got an impression of our IoTCrawler smart home use case. The GrowSmarter dashboard provides more historic data than the Homey gateway. Smart home users value that they received insights about the frequency of device usages. They also like the automatic device detection feature provided by IoTCrawler. This feature helps smart home users to better manage their devices. For instance, they can better find specific devices and understand their power consumption. This is particularly important for power users that have more than 200 devices. In a separate tutorial, we show you how our algorithms speed up semantic data integration. Thank you for watching this IoTCrawler application demonstrator.